Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Corsair Vengeance LPX 64GB DDR4 3200MHz memory kit. With its hand-sorted memory chips, this RAM promises top-notch performance and ample room for overclocking. Whether you're Team Intel or Team AMD, this kit is optimized for compatibility with the latest DDR4 motherboards, ensuring a seamless integration into your build. One of the standout features of the Vengeance LPX is its low-profile design, standing at just 34mm tall. This means it'll fit into most small form-factor builds without any issues. But don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to performance. Thanks to its high-performance PCB and solid aluminum heat spreaders, this memory kit delivers strong signal quality, stability, and efficient heat dissipation, allowing it to consistently run at high clock speeds. Setting up the Vengeance LPX is a breeze, thanks to its support for Intel XMP 2.0. With just a simple one-setting installation, you'll be up and running in no time. And with multiple colors available, you can choose the one that best matches your system's style. Now, let's talk warranty. Corsair stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, providing complete peace of mind for your investment. In conclusion, if you're looking for high-performance memory that offers both reliability and overclocking potential, the Corsair Vengeance LPX 64GB DDR4 3200MHz kit should be at the top of your list. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this memory kit delivers where it counts, making it an excellent choice for your next PC build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.